Hello, everyone. Today, I am going to guide you through the simple and an easy process on how to cancel 11 Labs subscription. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So basically, the first thing that you need to do is log into your 11 Labs account. After that, click on your profile picture. This will open a small menu. From here, select the subscription option. At this page, you will be able to see all your information regarding your subscription. As you can see, it shows what subscription I have. You can also click the Manage Subscription button to manage the different details about your subscription, such as payment methods, email address, and invoices and more. But to cancel your subscription, all you need to do is scroll down on this page. Here you will see different subscription plans. Here you can upgrade your subscription as well as downgrade it. And if you are subscribed to one of the plans, you will be able to see a cancel subscription button. Click on it and you will be able to cancel your 11 Labs subscription. So that was it. This was how you can cancel your subscription in 11 Labs. If you found this video informative, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.